Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve book exercise of the chapter kinds of phases. Okay, in a previous video you have to know about the means of phase and its kinds. Okay, now next we have to solve the book exercise of this chapter. So let's start the video, and here is the first exercise. Use these phases to make sentences. Say what question they answer in the sentence. Okay, so let's start and solve the question. First question is on the blackboard. So here is the solution of this question. So first answer will be the teacher wrote the formula on the blackboard. Okay, here is the answer of the phrase. We can use the phrase words and make a sentence. The sentence will be the teacher wrote the formula on the blackboard. Okay, second phrase is in the garden. So we can use it in a sentence, and the sentence will be in the garden bloom colorful flowers. Okay, in the garden bloom colorful flowers. So second phrase will be converted into the sentence. And now third phrase is in a lazy manner. So use this phrase and make a sentence. The sentence will be the boy went to the classroom in a lazy manner. Okay, it is the answer of the question. Now option number 4, without much effort. It is the fourth phrase words. So its sentence will be Sunil could not cross the bridge without much effort. Okay, it is the correct option. Now next is option number 5th. Fifth phrase word is the previous day. Okay, and the sentence will be I bought a book on previous day. It is the correct phrase sentence. Using the phrase and make a sentence. Now next is option number 5th of not 6. It is the option number 6, at this very moment. Okay, at this very moment, and we can convert the phrase into the sentence, and sentence will be I completed my work at this moment. Okay, at this moment. Okay, not at this time, at this very moment. Okay, now 7th option is in an awkward way. So sentence will be you are completing your work in an awkward way. Okay, now 8th option is 8th phrase word is in those days. So my brother was teaching me in those days. Okay, it is the sentence of the phrase. Okay, now next book exercise is to complete these sentences with appropriate noun phrase. Okay, so you can see here some of the blanks, and using the correct noun phrase to complete the sentence. Okay, so first option is the I want. Okay, so you can write down here I want to become a doctor, I want to become an engineer, etc. or the noun phrase you can add in the blanks. Okay, now second option is G2 likes. Okay, so write down G2 likes to eat mango, G2 likes to read books, etc. or the words, noun words you can use in a sentence. Okay, so your noun phrase word will be to eat mangoes. Okay, mangoes. So complete this blanks using the noun phrase. Now third option is dash is very difficult. Okay, chapter of phrase. You can write down here chapter of phrase. I think you know the spelling of the phrase. Phrase is very difficult. Okay, chapter of the phrase is very difficult. So it is the noun phrase, and you can fill it in a blanks. Now fourth option is we all hope. Okay, so you can fill the word we all hope for a peaceful solution. Okay, for a peaceful. Oh, here is the problem to write. So I will speak and you can write down. Okay, so we all hope for a peaceful solution to the war. Okay, peaceful solution to the war. Okay, in the blanks you can fill these noun phrase. Now fifth option is would you like. So here you can write down here, would you like to speak English? Would you like to speak English? Speak, okay, speak English. Now sixth option is it is easier to pull P-U-L-L, okay, pull a door, clear. Now seventh option is dash was of great help. So you can feel here, save the animal, save the animal was of great help, okay. Now eighth option is helping people, okay, helping people were good to behavior, clear. So you can feel it. Now next question is replace the adjective in each sentence. So you can see here there are using the adjective word in a sentence like a ruined, okay, ruined is a adjective word, and here is the in the second white and rare is a adjective word. So you with a adjective without changing the meaning of the sentence, one has been done for you. So replace the adjective in each sentence with a adjective phrase, okay, using the adjective phrase and remove the adjective without changing the meaning of sentence. So first question is you can see here the next 1 minute, okay, next to the garden is a ruined house, okay. So in place of this sentence you can write down here, next to the garden is house is in ruin, okay, house is ruined, okay. You can write the sentence, and a house in ruin is a noun phrase word, okay, it is the adjective phrase word, okay. Now second question is a white tiger is a rare sight. So white and rare is a adjective word, and using the adjective phrase, so your sentence will be a tiger of white color is a rare sight, okay, it is the correct option. Now third question is to be taught, okay, to be taught by a kind teacher is always a pleasant experience. So its solution will be to be taught by a teacher who is kind is always a pleasant experience, okay, it is the correct sentence by using the adjective phrase. Now fourth is the blue flowers are from my garden. So its correct answer will be the flowers of blue color are from my garden. It is the solution of the fourth option, okay. Now fifth question is a forest track can be quite uneven, okay, a forest track can be quite uneven, and its solution will be a track in forest can be quite uneven. It is the solution of the question. Now sixth question, the suited gentleman is the chairman of the committee. So its correct adjective phrase will be the gentleman wearing a suit. It is the noun phrase and using the adjective, okay. The gentleman wearing a suit is the chairman of the committee. It is the solution of question. Now seventh is a marble statue. A marble statue was erected by the family. So its solution will be a statue made of marble was erected by the family. Clear? I hope you all understand. Now next question number 8. Question number 8. I was lucky to have a kind nurse, and its answer will be I was lucky to have a nurse who was kind. It is the correct option of the sentence. Clear? I hope you all understand. Now next question is replace the highlighted adverb with suitable adverb phrase. Okay, here is the given some of the adverb word you can see on your note textbook. So here is the noun word is the adverb, lucidly is a adverb, aimlessly is a adverb. Replacing this noun word this adverb as a adverb phrase. Okay, so first question is I will sigh now. So in place of this you can write down here I will sigh at this very moment. Okay, at this very moment, it is the correct answer of the question. Now second option is answer the question lucidly. So answer will be answer the question in a lucid manner. Okay, lucid manner is the adverb phrase. Okay, now third is I waked. Okay, not waked, it will be walked. Okay, I walked aimlessly all around, and answer will be I walked all around in an aimlessly way. It is the correct option. Clear? Now fourth is the speaker delivered the lecture eloquently. So it is the question, and answer will be of this question the speaker delivered the lecture with eloquence. Okay, it is the adverb phrase. Clear? Now fifth option is you should learn to speak English fluently, and the option will be of this question answer is a you should learn to speak English with fluency. Okay, it is the correct option. Now next option, question number 6, he treated the offenders mercilessly. Okay, it is the question, and here the mercilessly is a adverb. So you can use here adverb phrase and make a sentence. The sentence will be he treated the offenders without mercy. Okay, without mercy. Clear? Now next is question number 7th. The policeman spoke to the child gently. The policeman spoke to the child gently. It is the question, and answer will be the policeman spoke to the child in a gentle way. Okay, it is the correct answer. Clear? I hope you all understand. Now next option number 8, I suppose you know that my books are available everywhere. Here is it is the question, and answer of the question will be I suppose you know that my books are available at all the places. Okay, it is the adverbial phrase. Clear? I hope you all understand it, and it is a simple method to solve this book exercise. If you have to any doubts or any problems, so drop the comments in a comment box, and I gave a complete solution of this book exercise. So I hope you all understand about the kinds of phrase and its kinds, and also able to solve the book exercise of this chapter. So thank you for the watching video.